You see, our Jamaican lifestyle. We not coming in.
Man. Yes, man.
Time say where you gas out, you get pum pum.
You know get no girl up there. Be a family have up there. Be a family master. No girl don't want him up there. No girl. You know get a girl up there.
What them I say about you, doggy?
A teeth.
Name me girl. Name me sort girl them.
You know, Nikisha.
Which Nikisha? Which Nikisha?
You know him?
Dylan woman?
No. No Nikisha?
Nikisha don't want you.
Overshot.
About his soul. Nikisha don't want you bad man.
No, sir, you die. You're man. You're sick, man. I cocaine.
The thief like a dog.
I mean, he said this.
We got do to you. We got do to you when the thief back. Doggy. We got do to you when the thief back. We got do to you when the thief back.
Anif.
You when the thief back and go catch you, when do you?
Anif.
Me not talk about the rum. You buckle them with your teeth. Oh my God.
Anif.
Where Hanif do?
Anif, give me back up. Guy.
Call Gahood.
Mm.
How we Gahood do when he come?
Box me.
How? How you back there?
Blow yourself. Blow yourself.
Yeah, doggy.
When Gahood back inside the jar, come say back to the road, sir.
What?
Yeah.
You never got a friend yet, no?
You know what I mean?
No, man. You
I
don't know.
mean,
Name, how much foreign you go? How much foreign?
I want
Two.
Where are we?
Foreign.
Two foreign.
Mantico beer.
You got Mantico be a foreign. And which foreign? Ochi foreign.
Oh, see.
And which other foreign you go?
Jamaican.
I lie you tell man. You never got Jamaica yet.
Jamaican.
You never got Jamaica yet.
Jamaican.
Jamaican.
You never got Jamaican yet.
Jamaican.
Yeah.
Which part
Jamaican.
today? Which part you travel go there?
Hmm?
Which way me take go there?
A plane. Me take.
You take plane for go Jamaican.
Yeah.
Eh?
So where you live?
And who you
A
see
foreign
when
he live now. Out of Newtown he live.
So pussy cat wicked.
A Newtown he live.
My God, so wicked figure.
Acha. Tell him doggy. Them say a Newtown I live.
Newton.
Mm.
A family in my youth.
A foreign you live?
Foreign a Newtown.
In a Newtown.
Fine, you live in a new town, doggy.
Newton, a family love.
You must tell me what foreign you go. Name me foreign them where you go.
Got you. Airport, me love.
Airport in love.
Airport.
Airport
Okay,
foreign.
go over there, boil too.
Yeah.
Airport.
Yeah. You got a foreign.
Yeah.
Which other foreign?
Jamaican.
And you got Jamaican.
Mm-hmm.
And which other foreign?
Ochi.
And Ochi.
Mm-hmm.
And which other foreign you go?
Course.
North Coast.
Not course.
Yeah, travel man. Which other foreign you go again?
Eh?
You don't know man.
Which other? You done?
Don't know.
You not gonna know all the place then man.
Anton.
Anton.
Mm-hmm.
And which other foreign? I like people I tell say done man.
Mobile.
You done? He must be a.
Mobile one.
He must be a foreign.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
No girl, you know?
And how much?
You know, girl
So how
over
much time you go up and plane for God them a place?
No, sir. No, one time in Gulong
You
there.
never got a girl foreign yet?
One time.
Yes, a nigga.
One
You
time.
got a girl foreign?
One time in
No,
Gulong there.
And you get girl on the beach?
White girl, you
No,
know,
no.
white girl long
How
there.
much white girl you get that day?
6 a day.
Name them. What are their name?
Where are they?
Name out. Tell me two of them.
Tell him two of them name.
Ta and Juliet and Nikisha.
I hear me
I
now.
got 3 more.
Man, I say you ain't get none of the ton.
You don't get no pussy, man.
No me.
Man, I say you don't get no ton.
No me.
You say white girl them sit down by your face.
Afro man.
Full your belly.
Man, he's so pussy. Man, freak him, the man.
No,
Go
some
foreign.
pussy me there.
Go foreign, you go
You not do it?
Go
What
foreign.
you do to it?
You fuck him and get picking. So me happy.
So you are free.
That's how you are free.
So you are free. Why you not getting no pussy?
So white girl, what they do? What they send come here?
Close.
Close.
Yeah.
All the name brand where you beat.
Yeah.
All the name brand slippers where you have on.
Yeah.
Name brand
Polo
jeans.
slippers that in.
All the belt, a polo shirt.
Polo hat, and polo shirt. See the polo hat.
Polo hat.
Polo.
No man, that's not a polo.
A
Man.
polo, man.
No sir.
Polo no more doggy.
No doggy, that's not a polo man. A polo hat that.
A black polo.
A polo? Black polo.
Black polo.
Oh, black polo. Yeah, me don't understand. Okay.
Hmm?
They have polo and black polo. Black polo, I
Black
dear.
polo. And black polo.
Black polo and white.
Alright. And pink.
I dear one I wear.
Yes.
All right, cheap one.
No, black one.
Show me polo. Yeah.
See polo there.
Spell it. Spell it polo.
That's why me and you can't.
See polo there.
Spell polo.
G-E-I-M-Y.
You tell me
Why?
lie.
V-U-E-F-N. Polo.
Polo. Pop, man. Polo, doggy.
Polo.
Yeah.
Polo.
So 5 and 5, how much?
5.
5 and 5 plus 5. How much? 7.
Well,
You're bright boy, no doggy. So that means say when 1 plus 7, how much? 7.